Police in Minnesota believe somebody here could hold the key to solving the murder of a Bellevue man. 3 months later, and investigators are no closer to finding his killer. Good evening, I'm Craig DeGrelli.
And I'm Jennifer Griswold. Now police in the Sudanese community are working together to get witnesses to come forward. Senior reporter Jake Poth Acouth has a story you'll see only on 3. Jake?
Jen and Craig, a $10,000 reward is being offered for the arrest and prosecution of the person responsible for Poth Acouth's death. His brother says they can't start to heal until someone is caught.
We're kind of trying to put that behind us and to focus on finding the person and finding an answer.
22-year-old Poth Acouth was a South Omaha graduate and Iowa Western student who started a basketball program for South Sudanese youth to have positive influences. But someone murdered him at a Sudanese peace rally in Minnesota. He was with his team at the time.
You can't replace, someone like that. When you've done so much, when you've put in, so much work, those kids, they build, that rapport and that trust, with Poth.
It's been pretty tough. I mean, each day that goes by, it gets tougher and tougher. But as they say, sometimes with time it heals, but the time is just not here yet, and it is tough.
In the early hours of Easter Sunday, a fight broke out after a banquet. Someone shot and killed Acouth in the parking lot of a Mankato ballroom. Another 3 were wounded. Police arrested 3 people but have since released them. Investigators say the shooting was not random and several people witnessed it.
From what we've been hearing when it first happened, whoever the suspect is, their intention was to get someone that was from Nebraska.
Acouth's family, the South Sudanese community in Omaha, and police have put up a $10,000 reward. They hope witnesses from Omaha, Minnesota, Kansas City, and Des Moines will come forward to bring justice for a man trying to have a positive impact on his community.
Those kids don't have their coach picking them up to go back to the gym any longer. We'd like them to, of course, come out so that we can have justice for Poth.
It's just trying to heal, bring some, justice to the family. Yeah.
Once again, anyone with information, no matter how little you may think it is, should come forward. You can remain anonymous. We have phone numbers on our website to Minnesota, and that's at KMTV.com. Reporting live in the News Center, Jake Poth Acouth, KMTV Action 3 News.